Enviropeel provides a thermoplastic coating for bearings. It keeps contamination out.
There are a lot of industries that can benefit from this. Most people aren't aware that there are ways that they can increase the life of their bearings.
When you're replacing these bearings at thousands of dollars a piece, it becomes really important to protect them and make them last as long as possible.
Spray applied Enviropeel has been in use for 15 years and has been proven to extend bearing life by 500% and beyond.
So Ivan, being the innovator that he is, spent a lot of time in the shop and came up with this bearing shield. It provides the same benefits that the spray does, and our goal is to really bridge the gap between the capital expenditure that people maybe aren't willing to do with the bearing shield and get these benefits to as many people as possible.
The Enviropeel bearing shield is the first of its kind of a molded bearing shaft assembly designed to be installed by the end user without any special training. It's a very simple process. The customer will send us the bearing description that they are wanting to protect.
And we'll actually get a bearing in-house. And we can create a mold of your bearing and create the bearing shield from that mold.
We will ship it to the customer. They will install it onto the bearing by measuring their shaft, trimming the ends,
and just slide it right over the bearing, zip it back up, and then we also supply a little bit of sealant that you can apply to the zipper, or if there's some openings that you want to seal back up to make sure it's really sealed from contamination.
The secondary coating can take up to 1 hour to dry, and the equipment can be restarted as soon as the shield is installed.
As the operations manager, I deal with contacting a lot of our customers, and the benefits that they see is exactly what we advertise. We work with one huge manufacturing company that actually is building their entire bearing maintenance policy around Enviropeel.
We're a small company, and I think we're offering something here that's very unique and cutting edge. And with the advent of new product lines, we can better service the market and become a fixture in a lot of these companies as an effective cost-saving solution.